How to install taillights for a 2007 to 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and something to pry with. Get under the truck right below the light to locate the harness and unplug it. Next, remove the two screws holding the light to the body. If it's on too tight, we suggest using something to gently pry it off. Before you can pull the tail light completely off, you'll need to pull off the harness since it's still hanging down. Remove any remaining clips that are still attached. Get the new tail light and guide the harness through the bottom hole. Then apply some force to make sure the tail light is fully clipped in. Screw it back in. Lastly, get back under the light and plug the harness back in and clip it into place. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.